With the car rep products, we're going to do a spot repair on this. So I'll feather this out. Harley Davidson is known for having thick paint. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a tooth. I don't wanna beat the hell out of it, and I'm not putting a lot of pressure. I'm gonna go back to our degreaser. Yes, do the whole panel. If you don't do the whole panel, you get what's called residue mapping. This is a sealer epoxy primer. This makes the paint adhere to the surface, fills any micro imperfections. The other thing that we're gonna use on this is spot blender. I don't want to oversaturate that. Take it easy. These small speckles, these are the things that we want to get rid of with the spot blender. Now we're ready for our gloss black top coat. That's an epoxy 2K top coat. Ridiculously impressed with this. Come back in with our spot blender. And we burn those specks in. Let everything dry. Tell the painter and you, take it easy, take it easy. This can all be polished out and it looks fantastic when it's all dry. Let it dry.
Make your shit look good!